Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add advanced payments in Zoho Books. So the first thing you'll want to do is in the home screen, simply follow along with me. On the top left, click Sales. It'll open up a drop-down menu. Then you click on the top one, Customers. This is my customer I've created. Assuming you have your own customers, they will all be listed over here. Click on the customer you want. For example, I'm going to click on Mr. Customer. Now, on the top right, you click on New Transaction, and then you say the customer payment. This will open up a record payment sheet. You can simply fill out all of the details required for the payment. For example, the payment date, the deposit to, the payment number, and the customer's name, etc. It's really that simple. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. It really helps this video help other people. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching.